with that paddle. It's been a really big 2 weeks over here in WA, and obviously we had race week last week where we were able to race across a whole bunch of different conditions, but the wind really turned it on today. I think it was absolutely incredible. It was so much fun out there. So to take the win in the conditions on Australian soil is really, really special.
You know, it's capped off a really good year. A lot of good results throughout the year at the big races, and you know, really peaked for them. So to cap it off, being the world champion for 2023, my first one since 2017, over the moon.
Incredible female paddlers that have paved the way for, you know, people like myself the last couple of years, and the sport's just going from strength to strength. So yeah, it's really special, and yeah, that's absolutely incredible.
It's a cool feeling to be the world champion, call it. There's also other races out that I really prioritise as well. So I've been lucky this year to take the ones that I wanted home with me, all in a year. So over the moon, time to put the paddle back in the rack. Won't touch it until next year, and yeah.